us to solve the given log equation for x. Let's first rewrite this as log base x of 1 million as 1 followed by 6 zeros equals 6. To solve this log equation, we'll write the log equation as an equivalent exponential equation. For a quick review, log base b of y equals x is equivalent to b raised to the power of x equals y. So notice how b is the base, x is the exponent, and y would be the number. So in our case, notice in our case, the base is x, the exponent is 6, and the number is 1 million. So the equivalent exponential equation is x raised to the power of 6 must equal 1 million. Another way to remember how to convert a log equation to an exponential equation is to start with the base and work around the equal sign. What I mean by that is notice that x raised to the 6th must equal 1 million. Now from here, there are several ways to solve this equation. Notice that we have 1 followed by 6 zeros, so maybe we recognize that 1 million is equal to 10 to the 6th. So one method would be to recognize that we can rewrite this equation as x to the 6th equals 1 million as 10 to the 6th, and if the exponents are the same, the bases must be the same, and x must equal 10. If we don't recognize this though, there are a couple other ways to solve this equation. Let's also show those. If we want to solve this equation for x, and we have x to the 6th, we could take the 6th root of both sides of the equation. So if we have x to the 6th equals 1 million, again we could take the 6th root of both sides of the equation, and the 6th root of x to the 6th is actually the absolute value of x, so we would have both a positive and negative solution for x, but because the base of a logarithm has to be positive, we can just say x equals, and then the 6th root of 1 million is going to be 10, but let's check this on the calculator. To do this, we first enter the index of 6, then we press math, and then option 5, notice how x is the index, which we've already entered, and then we enter 1 million, which also gives us 10. Yet another way to solve the equation x to the 6th equals 1 million would be to raise both sides of the equation to the 1/6 power, which is equivalent to taking the 6th root of both sides of the equation. Let's go ahead and show this. We have powers to powers, we multiply the exponents. 6 times 1/6 is 1, which gives us just x to the 1st, or x, and then 1000 to the 1/6 power once again is going to be 10, but let's check this as well. So 1 million raised to the power of 1/6 is equal to 10. So once we write the exponential equation from the log equation, there are a few variations on how to solve the equation for x, but either way the result is x equals 10. I hope you found this helpful.